learn about your microclimate, just put some buckets with ice. Look. Okay, that's not interesting. You see, this one doesn't have any ice. Next to it, it's already ice. Ooh. And I think you can see, look, I can even take it. Oh, it's 2 millimeters. Here is another one. It's again ice. Now, this is interesting. You see, this one has ice. Ooh, look at how thick ice. Very thick. Next one, no ice. Ice. Ooh, I don't know what plant can survive this kind of ice. Now look again. Ice. No ice. Interesting. You go very close to that one. No ice. If you know how to explain this packet has ice, very thick ice, and this one does not have any ice, let me know. Again, here you go. Ice. This one doesn't have ice, but it was closed. No ice. Ice. So actually this part of yard is kind of patchy, probably because it's open space. I don't have any plants. I need to think about maybe I have to plant something. I don't have enough actually containers around the property. I have to do that probably next time, or next actually night, because we again can have some damage. Here, for example, I don't see any damage. I have some buckets, but before even sun was hitting this place, I didn't see any ice. This place doesn't get any ice. So I need to think about how can I improve and what to do with that open area, because we have that open area because you wanna enjoy your yard, like basically playing on something. Your kids play, they need open space, but that open space unfortunately freezing cold, and I have some sensitive plants unfortunately here. I have this mango, which looks good. Citrus is fine. Passion fruit will survive. It's very thick branch. So learn your microclimate, you won't regret, but open space is a big deal. I tried to water my lawn yesterday, but it takes forever to water manually. Some people suggest just have some thermometers across your yard, but nothing can beat that containers with water. You're gonna see ice. Ooh, that was brutal.